Go. Good day, sir. I have learned from Ms. Valerie Banaag in Sector 3 at Del City Public College that you are in need of data encoder. Please consider me as an applicant. I am Mylene A. Ibero, 17 years old, taking up the course of Ladder's Education Program for Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, TESDA accredited, in Del City Public College. I have all the requirements you described for a data encoder. I can type 50 words per minute. I have my first on-the-job training of Municipality of Ibaan, Batangas, as a PC operator. My task there is to encode documents in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. I attended my second on-the-job training at Cyber Macha Internet Cafe at P. Torres Street, Lipa City, as a computer maintenance. I believe that I am qualified for the position of data encoder, for my qualification, ability, character, and willingness to work are desired. For more information, you can see my resume. Thank you, sir.